Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Dasher Direct Virtual Card updated for 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get the most out of your virtual card. First, you need to understand what Dasher Direct Virtual Card is. It is a digital payment solution designed for Dashers, allowing you to receive and manage your earnings easily and securely. The virtual card is linked to your Dasher Direct account, and you can use it to make purchases online or in store, wherever Visa is accepted. To get started, you need to have a Dasher Direct account and the virtual card feature enabled. If you have not already, download the Dasher app and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Dasher Direct section and follow the prompts to activate your virtual card. Once your virtual card is activated, you can view your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Within the app, you can also add your virtual card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for easy access. To use your Dasher Direct virtual card, simply enter your card details at checkout, just like you would with a physical credit or debit card. You can use your virtual card to make purchases online, in-app, or in-store, wherever contactless payments are accepted. It is essential to keep your virtual card details secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Make sure to keep your Dasher app and digital wallets up to date, and never share your card details with anyone. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your Dasher Direct virtual card to manage your expenses and track your spending. The Dasher app provides a detailed transaction history, allowing you to monitor your account activity and stay on top of your finances. Best practices for using your Dasher Direct virtual card include regularly checking your account balance and transaction history, keeping your app and digital wallets updated, and being mindful of your spending habits. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Dasher Direct virtual card and enjoy a convenient and secure payment experience. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent any potential issues. With your Dasher Direct virtual card, you can easily manage your earnings and make purchases with ease, wherever you go.